Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. We are here for you, Commodity-TV, and we are still at the booth of Discovery Group of companies. And with me here is Claudia Tornquist, the president of Dunnedin Ventures. And of course, it's a lady. We have to talk about diamonds. Welcome.
Thank you, Jochen.
Yeah, great to have you here. Dunnedin Ventures, what is the company about? Maybe you give us a short overview, please.
Yep, we are a diamond exploration company focused on the Kahuna diamond project in Nunavut. It's a project that was discovered in 2001 by a previous operator who spent $30 million on it, from which we, of course, benefited greatly. So when we took on the project, we were able to declare a resource right away. So we have an inferred resource of 4 million carats. Great starting point.
Absolutely.
We drilled last year and have found additional diamondiferous kimberlite. And this year will be our second year of drilling and looking forward to expanding the mineralization and finding more diamonds.
Fantastic. When you say 30 million was spent on the property already, did you also, let's say, inherit, I would call it the drill core or the data room, all that stuff? So you know exactly where to go?
Yes, we have a very large historic data set, and we're obviously able to benefit from that greatly. I should mention our largest shareholder and also the brain behind our exploration activity is Chuck Fipke, who's obviously a world-renowned diamond expert, the discoverer of Canada's first diamond mine, Ekati, and Hall of Famer, and he's intimately involved in all our exploration work and has helped us very much defining drill targets and zooming in on the most prospective diamond targets.
So best expertise you can get.
Yep.
Fantastic. Great. So 4 million carats you said you have already in the inferred resource. So what will you be doing in 2019? And maybe you can elaborate a bit how that works, because diamonds is something very different to gold to me, because you don't need those lovely stones that you can work with that. So maybe you can give us an idea how that works.
Yep. So we have, as I said, a 4 million carat starter maiden resource. We also have a target for further exploration, which is essentially the mineralization just below the existing resource. We have drilled deeper than the current resource, which is only down to 80 meters, have intercepted kimberlite every time, but we haven't drilled at enough spacing to be able to define a resource. Hence, this is a target for further exploration, which is an additional 4 to 16 million carats. So together with our resource, that's already quite a significant amount of diamonds.
And that would be also enough to do a, let's say, a production decision, I would call it. I mean, before you have to do pre-feasibility and all that stuff. But I mean, what amount of carats would be something you would say, okay, let's move it?
Yeah. Well, as a comparison, there were 2 diamond acquisitions in Canada last year, Kennedy Diamonds and Peregrine Diamonds, and they both had a resource of approximately in the range of 20 million carats. Both had started or even completed a PEA, so that's already a sort of resource amount where you can start thinking economic evaluation. And in fact, we have just started a study with SRK. It's a well-known, conceptual study, where we are looking at the expansion potential at our resource and also at potential conceptual mining methods. And if you will, that's the first step en route towards a PEA and economic evaluation.
Fantastic. How much more do you think you need to drill to, let's say, achieve the 20 million carats?
Well,
I mean, it's a forward-looking statement, but I want to have a guess.
Well, there's another aspect to our company. We can drill to expand the resource. We also drill, and that was actually the focus of the first couple of rounds of drilling last year, for the exploration of a kimberlite pipe, i.e. that's sort of not the incremental expanding the resource type scenario, but that's the more discovery aspect of our project. If we are able to hit a kimberlite pipe, that could be a potential real game changer. So that's real upside potential, and it would be a or body or mineralization that could be significantly larger size than what we currently have. So that's actually what we've been, or what we will be focusing on in our drilling, to see whether we can hit a big pipe, which would be a real sort of transformative discovery.
Super, perfect. So, how do you, let's say, evaluate the diamonds then? Because a diamond is a diamond. That's each of it is a called a unicat, and because Mother Nature is different here to gold. Gold you can melt, you have a bar, lovely, but diamond is a diamond. So how does it work that you know what you have in the ground, like that is for jewelry, that is for the industry, that is for, I don't know, cutting glass, this is for diamond drills, I don't know. How does that work?
That's a very good question. Obviously the quality and the value of the diamonds is a very big part of the economic viability of a project, and we will this year, our aim is to do a independent evaluation of our diamonds. We have diamond parcels, and we will do bulk samples to get a larger diamond parcel, and obviously the visual characteristics are one thing. We can see what we have in our diamonds. We have many high qualitative diamonds, many clear and nice diamonds, so we're very confident in the quality of our diamonds. But to really establish the value, the way to go is an independent valuation, and that's what we are also planning for this year.
Okay, perfect. Well, then keep it going, I would say.
Thank
we look forward to
we
a
will.
nice update then. And all the best for it.
Thank you, Jochen.
The ladies need the diamonds. Thank you.
Clearly.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was Claudia Tornquist, the president of Dunnedin Ventures. And you heard it, drills are turning on the one hand. On the other hand, the company has 4 million carats already in the inferred resources. But they are working on that to really enlarge that. And with the right technical team, the right expertise behind that, I think they're on a good way. So I would say check out the company. Thanks and bye-bye from Vancouver.